All right, it is Black Friday 2025. I'm going to do a ride through some of the stores. I just wanted to do a little parking lot pimping before I go do what I'm going to do. First stop is going to be this Walmart. Let me turn in here. I'm going to tell y'all something. Black Friday don't look nothing like what it used to look. So I wanted to kind of capture my ride and see what it's looking like. This is the Walmart. One of the Walmarts in this city. I haven't seen any fights. Nobody arguing. It looked like everybody is able to, get in and get out. Hold on, let me go to the grocery side, because the grocery side normally be packed out too. Let me see what they looking like. It is not crowded, y'all. I don't know what's going on, but it's only 4 people here getting groceries for Black Friday. It does not look like what it used to look like. What's going on? All right, so we're finna turn into the Target. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, somebody, but I thought that I saw Black Friday 2025 that y'all was supposed to be boycotting Target. I'm pretty sure I saw that, but I'm not sure what's going on. I know this summer there was a boycott. So, but we finna see it for our own eyes. I want to come into one of the entrances in front of the store so y'all can see as we turn down the street. Okay, let's go down this entrance. I hope y'all are having a good Black Friday morning. Again, it's almost 8 o'clock in this city where I'm at. There's the Whole Foods, Target. Kohl's is down to the right. I may ride down that way. I don't know. Kohl's be kind of boring. Like, I don't even know why Kohl's is still open. No, hold on. Let's go to Kohl's because they got it going on down there. Look like it. They got the fireman down there. I don't know. Parking lot pimping just makes me so happy. I get to ride around and see stuff. People buying their Christmas trees. Yeah, man. All right, so the fireman probably in there shopping. They're in there shopping, spending their money. All right, so we're gonna go back up and then come back down that aisle that the Target was on. All right, so this is the main aisle of the Target. Look at the people got their bags and stuff. You gotta pay attention at the Target because these people walk right out in front of a car. They don't give a damn. They think they got the right of way. Target, like, there's no pandemonium. Like, it used to be pandemonium a couple of years ago. Like, it was a lot of stuff going on, but it ain't that no more. Everybody is getting along and happy and minding their business. Not that I want anything to go on. I'm just saying it used to be wild and crazy. Man, this Starbucks is dry as hell. Where are the people? I hope this car stopped. Okay, there you go. McDonald's got a little line over there. McDonald's always got a line. Y'all be wanting that cheap ass food. I think that meat they serving is turtle meat. Their hamburgers do not be looking like hamburgers. Okay, so we just turned into the mall entrance. Okay, the mall is kind of crowded. I think it's really crowded. Let me turn into Trader Joe's first before I go across the street to the mall. Destination XL does not have any customers. Okay. That's where the big guys shop at. Last year, they was crowded. They had some sales going on, but they ain't got nobody this year. Trader Joe's, they really ain't got nothing going on either. They got a few people out here. This is not giving me excitement that I don't see crowds and tons of people. Maybe people ain't got money. Just maybe. I know a lot of people lost their jobs this year and at the end of last year. Maybe that's done affected it. Then you had the government shutdown. I know that had a lot to do with it. JCPenney's. Well, them old women that be in JCPenney, they gonna lock up. They always be out. But you know what? A lot of people may be shopping online this year. Probably waiting till Cyber Monday. I deliver to Barnes and Nobles right there all the time. So they always have a crowd. Come on, sir. Come on. See what I'm saying? You gotta watch out for these people. They'll just dot out, not be looking nowhere. The food court is not busy. Normally people standing outside, gossiping. This Black Friday may not be so black. They're gonna stay in the red. I wonder how many people really know what Black Friday means. Damn, it's just as boring back here. All right, so let's check out the smaller shops outside of the mall. And this is Marshall's, Ross, Shoe Station, and Five Below. Let's see what they got going on over here. Marshall's. Man, something going on. I'm gonna have to research this. Where people is at? Look how dry. Carrabba's right there. They got some good ass food. Look at Marshall's. Somebody alarm going on. Pearl Vision, Lane Bryant, Torrid, empty. Dress for Less. They got a few people. Shoe Station. They got a few people. Not many. Because the parking lot out there is empty. And this person didn't look nowhere. You got to drive for everybody. Five Below. Alright, so let me check out the rich women shops. So you got Jason's Deli, empty. The Spice Exchange Shop. Francesca's Bonefish Grill, empty. Athleta, which is a high-end rich woman shop. They got about 3 people over there. Salsaritas, J. Jill. All of these are high-end shops. Eddie Bauer. I don't even know why he's still open. Do people still wear Eddie Bauer? The Loft, Buff City Shop, Chico's. All right, we got Home Goods. They normally be busy. Michael's. Let's see. We got the World Market. The Nail Barn. Oshkosh Begosh, Kid Store, empty. TJ Maxx, that's where the young girls shop at. You want to find you a young girl, go to TJ Maxx. Find you a tenderoni up in there. Gearhead Outfitters. I don't know what I've never seen them. Sally's, H&R Block. Need to get your taxes filed. Kirkland's. I go in there sometimes to get my candles. Good Tire Shop. Electronic Express. Dead. Oh well. That's the end of our little ride through in this shopping center area. Oh well, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this ride through, because I'm gonna go back to work and make my money. See y'all on the next time. Bye.